Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to apply a gamma overgrip. First, let's prepare your racket. Carefully remove any old overgrip or worn-out base grip from the handle. It's important to ensure the handle is completely clean and dry, as this will help your new overgrip adhere properly. Also, make sure you have your new gamma overgrip and the small piece of finishing tape that comes with it ready to go. Now, let's start wrapping. Take your new gamma overgrip and unroll about 2 or 3 inches, carefully peeling off the protective film. Locate the tapered end of the overgrip, which often has a small adhesive tab. Align this tapered end with the very bottom edge of your racket handle. Begin wrapping at a slight upward angle, making sure that your first turn securely covers the base of the handle. As you continue wrapping, the key is consistency. Aim for a consistent overlap of about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch with each rotation. It's crucial to apply firm, even tension throughout the process. This prevents any unsightly air bubbles and ensures a secure, comfortable fit. Work your way smoothly up the handle, keeping the overgrip's edges aligned for a clean, professional look. You're almost done. Once you've wrapped the overgrip to your desired length, typically to the top of the handle, use scissors to carefully cut off any excess material. Now, grab that small piece of finishing tape that came with your overgrip. Firmly wrap this tape around the top edge of the overgrip to secure it in place. Finally, press down along the entire length of the overgrip to ensure it's fully adhered and ready for action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.